It's time.
Too Lost in Voice.
YouTube, back with another video, man. No late night drive in the Charger. Oh man, I'll be forgetting this motherfucker be pushing. Not gonna lie, y'all, I put this bitch back in all-wheel drive because I got the all-wheel drive RT. This bitch definitely feel like a track. When you hit that motherfucker, this bitch get up for real, man. This bitch tough as hell. But nah, I know it's been a minute since I posted, y'all. I just been doing shorts. I've been lazy. You know, we can't be lazy doing YouTube, man, you know. I would speed for y'all boys because y'all can see the road is empty, but this 112 be real hot. And, you know, my shit loud as fuck. I don't even got headers. I do got headers, but they're short. But I don't even got long two headers, and my shit be screaming for real, for real. And we don't want that, because 12 gonna be on ID. And we don't want 12 on ID, because if 12 on ID, your boy won't be getting home. I'm not lying to you, boy won't be getting home. Y'all don't want that. Y'all don't want that at all. Oh, this car feels fucking mean, bro. Oh, I see why I was in love with this fucking car. Holy shit. Shit is a monster. Shit is a monster. Bro, I don't care what nobody says, bro. If somebody be like, bro, you got an RT, that shit ass, bro, you should slap the shit out them. Yeah, that's better for y'all. It's a better POV. But yeah, bro, somebody be like, bro, you got an RT, that shit is not it. You should smack the shit out that nigga, bro. These bitches is fun as fuck. RTs are fun as hell. This shit is fun. Well, mine is all-wheel drive, so, like, you know, I got a little bit extra power. Plus, I did, like, tunes and shit to it, so, you know. But this bitch is fun. Like, that shit is fun. I didn't even floor it and I jerked back. Like, what the fuck? Like, these cars are fun as shit. Dodge knew what the fuck they was doing when they made this shit. Let me turn off the motherfucking heat because I know my engine finna explode. Hey, when I get at this little, like, free point, it's like a little freeway up here. I'm a floor it for y'all. But I ain't gonna floor it right now. Yeah, this shit tough. This shit feels way, like, more like, how should I put it? Since I got it in all-wheel drive, this shit feel way more, like, aggressive. In a sense, it feel way more aggressive. And, like, my launch is, like, I just feel quicker. Like, I got more, like, grip. I'm a floor for y'all. I haven't floored this motherfucker. I haven't floored this car in a minute. The windows rolled down. Alright. Holy shit. Alright. Oh man. That shit is crazy. And I have so much, like, control because it's all-wheel drive. Damn, that shit's nice, bro. I really fuck with, like, the all-wheel drive. This shit is smooth as fuck. I know it's gonna eat up gas more, but I don't give a fuck. This shit is amazing. Is that a truck? What is fat ass truck? nah. Tell me if y'all fucking with the all-wheel drive.